Hey, hello guys. So today I'm going to tell you about a footwork job. So what you will have to do is to install this footwork you can see over here, and just install it, as this is an application from where you guys able to get a earning, like it's a telecalling sales. So there is some process which you need to complete it, and then you accordingly can get a job in this application, where it's a work from home job. You can do the job from home itself, as it's a remote work. You will don't have to go anywhere. So see the footwork app, as I am installing it over here. So this is the way, like you just need to go on the app of application, I mean Play Store, and download it. The name is as footwork, FUTWARK, footwork. You can find it on a Google Play Store. Okay, so as I'm installing it, you can see like it's loading as an installation installing. So once if it get installed, I can tell you the further instruction, like step step how you can go ahead, and you can start working here. So here there are some rules and regulation to go for it. So basically before that, I'll just request you, if you have not subscribed me, so you can just like and subscribe my channel for more such updates. And guys, you can see here it's got uploaded, right? So once if it is got installed, you just open it. You can see over here footwork, work from home telecalling job, right? Now here, if it is in here, it's written like choose video language. You just click on English, right? Yeah, see the English, and then get start. After that, it will ask you for the number, like from where you need to register. As I have already registered in this, and I have also worked, on from this number you can see. I'll just tell you about this. Okay, and get OTP. Okay, once the it will get OTP, you just need to enter it, and then you can it will get reopen. So I'm just waiting for it to get an OTP. Okay, so I will just write it down, and let's see like whether it need to verify and proceed. Once if it is get verify and proceed, later on you can see you are now a certified telecaller on footwork. Okay, so just continue. Okay, see, congratulations, you are now a certified telecaller on footwork. This means, guys, like I have already worked on this application, because of that it's showing like that. Now you, if you are new to this application, so for you it will not the same. Okay, I have already given a work over here, and I have worked here. So it is, so see, when I clicking on okay, it's like looking for job or not now. So suppose you are looking for job, you will just click on here. If not now, then not now. And as I'm not looking for now, so I will click on not now, right? See, after this it will ask you allow footwork to send you a notification. It means whenever you are getting anything like update on the application, like there is a new job and all, so you will get a notification, so for which you need to allow it. Now see, expert telecaller here. Hi Savita, expert telecaller, congratulations, you have mastered the art of telecalling. You are now an expert telecaller and one of our best agent. Why? As I said, like I have already worked over here, that's why it's like expert telecaller I have been done. See, now here in column you can see home, job, earning and profile, right? See, earning section, when I come here, it is asking me for to link a PAN to Aadhaar to complete your KYC. So I have to do that, and then only I can take my payment, like after the completion of work. So basically here I will show you my earnings. See, here you can see like 400, 400, 400, 400, you can see, right? So this is already I have done, like I have withdrawn, like withdraw has been done, and this is a proof like I got this amount. And now I'm not working on this, but then I can show you the proof, like here how the job you can get from this application. Now when you are going to profile, see here in profile you can see my name and all everything, and certified caller 34 months with footwork. And this is the call I have completed. This is a minute hours, like 4 to 5 hours of duration you have to work on it, and then it will get like a full time work for you, 4 to 5 hours like that. And per day there will be on something like the job role, like what the job you're getting. Either if you're completing of 4 hours or 5 hours, on that basis you will get like 400 per or 500 per day. So here the states you can see 85,235 is for call attempt, and minutes spoken was 42,585. Total jobs means the projects we supposed to get for short term or long term. In that case I have completed 53 total jobs. Okay, so this is all about the profile I have shown you. This was the earning which I have shown you. Okay, and here this is the job. When you click on this job section, you can see here English yogurt event invite August 223, and then shop on and on. This is what here you can see completed means I have already done with this work, and then it got completed here. The application automatically fetch those things. Okay, and when you will see in home, as I already shown you that in home you can see all these, the status in inactive, like whether I am looking for it or not. Now here when you are like, when click over here, see here earning, KYC, job history, support, about us, log out. Now what happened guys, while you are doing this, it will ask you, if you are new, then it will ask you to fill on the details, where it will ask for your email ID as well. After that, I mean, filling that email ID, you will get a mail to your email ID, like and there will be some training also which you have to complete step by step process. Now here I can't show you that because I have already done with those process. Okay, so this was just a application which I have shown you, and accordingly this is how you can work in this application by downloading. Rest guys, if you want any of the things related to this, you can just like and subscribe my channel to know more. Thank you guys.